Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the currency symbol in Power BI. Whether you need pounds, euros, pesos, or something else, by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to make your reports look spot on for any region or audience. If you've ever been stuck with the default dollar sign and wondered how to switch it up, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's imagine you have a fairly simple dataset in Power BI. Maybe you're tracking sales, expenses, or budgets. For example, suppose your table has three columns: order, ID, product, and amount. You might see rows like order ID 1 laptop 1000, order ID 2 phone 500, and so on. These are just sample numbers, but the process works no matter what your data looks like. Now say what you want is for your amounts column to display the right currency symbol, something that actually matches your business or the location you're reporting for. Power BI starts you off with the dollar sign by default. But what if you're working with pesos, euros, or pounds? No worries, we're going to fix that. First, look over at the left side of Power BI. You'll see a vertical bar with several icons. Click the one that looks like a little table. That's the data or table view. This view lets you see your raw data, almost like a spreadsheet, so you can work directly with individual columns. Next, click the amount column to select it. You'll notice when one column is selected, the top ribbon changes so you have more options. Up here, you're looking for column tools. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is your toolbox for anything relating to formatting data columns. If you've ever wanted to make your numbers look more professional or easier to read, this is where it happens. Under the Column Tools tab, there's a Format dropdown. Click where it says Format, then choose Currency from the list. Power BI will automatically apply a currency format, and you'll likely see the dollar sign pop up next to your numbers. If that's all you need, you could stop here, but let's get to the part you really came for, changing the symbol itself. Now, still on that top ribbon under Format, look for the currency symbol dropdown. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it might just take a second for Power BI to update. Once it appears, click the dropdown arrow. You'll see a list of common symbols: pounds, euros, pesos, yen, and more. Just scroll through and pick the one you want, let's say the Philippine peso, the symbol. As soon as you select it, your amount column instantly updates. Where you saw $1,000 before, you'll now see 1,000,000. Super satisfying, right? This little tweak makes a big difference when you're presenting reports, especially to international teams or customers. It helps everyone quickly understand the values without having to second-guess what currency they're looking at. If you ever need to change it again, let's say your company expands or you need to create versions for different offices, just repeat these steps. It only takes a minute, and it's one of those finishing touches that really makes your Power BI dashboard shine. And that's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, let me know by hitting that like button. Got any more questions about Power BI or have a tricky formatting problem? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.